I saw a dream under the blue sky. Children were laughing, no need to cry. No guns, no borders, no reason to run. Just hearts united beneath the sun. And I reached out with an open hand to every soul across the land. We are one voice, we are one light, standing for love, choosing what's right. From every nation, every shore, we won't fight anymore. Peace is the flag we raise above, with hands of hope and hearts of love. Leaders in towers, kings in their halls, listen to silence between the calls. The world is aching, the people plead, not for power, but peace we need. Plant seeds of kindness, not of fear, build with compassion, lend an ear. The future's watching, what will you do? Your children will walk the path made by you. Trade bullets for books and walls for doors, put people above your profits and wars. The earth is not yours, but all of ours. Guard it like a garden, not a graveyard. From galaxies wide to the smallest grain, with threads of light in a sacred chain. No color, no name can break the flame. We're all the same, we're all the same. Without your voice, mine fades away, like night without stars, or skies gone gray. We rise and fall as one heartbeat, connected, whole and complete. We are the sea, we are the wave, each soul a spark the cosmos gave. So take my hand, don't walk alone. This world is ours, this world is home.